morning, everybody. It is Saturday and it is currently a little after 8 a.m. I wanted to get an early start today because I do have a few things that I want to get done to make tomorrow's Sunday setup a lot easier. So today is Saturday, which means for Vlogust that it is stay in with me Saturday. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take a shower, throw my hair up, and then we are gonna tackle this monstrosity. And then I want to also straighten back up my son's area. He is not feeling good today, so I'm not gonna ask him to do it. He actually went to bed last night with a headache and an earache after I gave him medicine, so he's very prone to ear infections. I'll just need to call the doctor and see what she wants me to do because it's Saturday. And then I have many things to put together and open up tomorrow for Sunday setup. So that's all clean laundry. I need to get my area cleaned up, organized, and figure out how I'm gonna set all that stuff up tomorrow. So we'll be doing that together as well. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the shower and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. It is currently a little after 8:30 and we are going to bust this kitchen out real quick, load the dishwasher, and then find something to eat for breakfast before we start anywhere else. about right at an hour. The dishwasher is still going, but everything else is done, including the floors. As soon as the floor dries, I'm gonna find me something to eat for breakfast, and then we will move to probably the bathroom. I left all of that over there out because I will be working on that tomorrow. That is going into a vegan weekly meal prep collab that I will be doing, so stay tuned for that. So all I felt like having this morning was a couple of Walmart's Great Value hash brown patties. So I'm just gonna eat these and then I'm gonna get right back to cleaning. Okay, so I have finished eating breakfast. Now I'm just gonna get this clean laundry folded up and put away. And I'm gonna put my sheets and my quilt in the washer. So that took me almost 20 minutes. Now what you see here is just as I'm going through the house and doing stuff, finding any dirty laundry, I just kind of throw it over here into the bathroom. So what I'm gonna do now is get my sheets, pillowcases, and my quilt started so that I can make my bed before any of the other laundry gets done, because I like to pile it on my clean bed and go ahead and knock it out so I don't leave it. How big my son's football championship ring is. My area is clean. Whew. And I am wore out. So my sheets and my quilt are in the washer, but my area is clean and ready for tomorrow. And here is a little sneak peek of what all is to come tomorrow in Sunday's setup. Minus Batman. Thank you. So make sure y'all do not miss tomorrow's video. We will be tackling all of that in this small area of mine. Took me about a total of 5 minutes. Everything is straightened back up and I swept the floor And all this looks like a bunch of mess, but it's not. It's actually all of his toys and stuff that he uses every day. So that is done. So I finished my son's area and switched out the washer and dryer and was just about to find something for lunch, and my son finally woke up. And not only does he not have any relief from the headache yesterday, but now instead of one ear, it's both ears that are hurting him. And I put him in a really hot shower. I gave him some Benadryl, and I checked his temp. He has a low-grade temp, so I'm assuming a double ear infection as usual. And if he don't have any relief in the next hour or so, then I'll be taking him to urgent care. Not the ER, not the emergency room, but the urgent care facility, because if I can't get him any relief from the shower and the Benadryl, then he's gonna need to be seen before Monday, because I refuse to let him suffer the entire day today and a whole nother day tomorrow just to wait for him to go to the doctor Monday. So, because he does not acknowledge pain, so I know when he says his ears are hurting, like his head has to be about to blow off. That's how bad his ears have to be hurting. So it looks like Saturday has been put on pause. And I will come back in a little bit and let y'all know if I was able to get anything else done or if my day just kind of stops here. So it has been a couple of hours now. He actually saw a lot of relief from the medicine and the hot shower. And he tried to not eat again when I was gonna fix him something for lunch, which he's did for the past 2 days. I think in the last 48 hours, he's probably had 1 bowl of cereal, and I made him eat that because I was giving him medicine. So I made him choose something and he couldn't think of anything, and then a commercial popped up. Hi, Nella. And then a commercial popped up of Mexican food, so he was like, ooh, I want Mexican. So I picked him up a child's plate of chicken and rice. And now that he feels better, I'm gonna go check on the laundry, get my bed made, and then possibly still get the bathroom cleaned. But now I have to find me something to eat because I did not want Mexican today. I'm just gonna eat these noodles real quick, check on the laundry, get my bed made, and I will be done for the day. So making up my bed will probably be the last thing that I get done today. He ate, but now he is back out. I'm assuming and hoping it's just the Benadryl. So I'm gonna get my bed made, get the lights out, let him take a nap for a couple of hours, and then I'm gonna wake him up and see how he feels. Go ahead and end today's video here. I'm gonna let him sleep for a couple of hours before I wake him up. Hopefully he sleeps off that Benadryl and wakes up feeling much better. I'm just gonna continue to do laundry off and on while he's asleep. So when he wakes up in a couple of hours, if he doesn't feel any better, then I will make the decision of taking him to urgent care today or just waiting until Monday to see the doctor. So I will just wait and see how he feels when he gets up, and until then, I will see you guys tomorrow. As long as he feels better when he gets up and he feels okay tomorrow, I will still have the same Sunday setup that I have planned, which is unboxing all my new stuff and putting it together and organizing everything. But if he doesn't feel any better and things change, then I will just figure out what I'm gonna do tomorrow. But obviously, he will come first, and if I just don't have a Sunday setup video, then I just won't. But we will see what happens. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I will see you all tomorrow.